Let's take a look at these button press pliers. You put the buttons in there and press it to fix them, and you get a lock to close it. Whole thing is made in metal. This costs around 299 rupees or $3 or so, and you also get this set of buttons. So let's see how it works. You need 4 of these to make a pressed button. The one with the sharp teeth go below the cloth. It does work. You have to be gentle with it. It's not as good as the machine press ones. You do end up wasting quite a few of these, at least initially while learning. As temporary buttons, it works really well, but you have to use the buttons quite gently. Quite an interesting tool. Quite nice. Check it out.